It's an island holiday.
Jeffrey, welcome.
No age discrimination.
Look around. This is our core audience, though.
Limitless joy.
This is the best day of my life.
Do you like, sleep?
Excuse me. Could you rub my back, please?
Boundaries-free experience.
I want to play with that boy. No, I want to play with that boy.